What if the freedom and luxury of an upscale SUV could ride with you, not only on urban roads but over deserts, forests, and mountains? Not in a vehicle, but in an entire full-size motorhome that seems to have rolled straight out of the future. That's precisely what Kia is trying to do with one of its most ambitious creations yet. Welcome back to Roadsters and Reviews. Today, we're diving into the jaw-dropping 2026 Kia EX6 camper van, a machine that takes the idea of adventure vehicles and turns it up to 11. This isn't just a van, it's a rolling fortress of exploration, a futuristic blend of rugged, off-road engineering and unexpected luxury. From the outside, the design is unlike anything Kia has ever put on the road. The six-wheel stance automatically earns respect. Muscular fenders hug every wheel, piercing LED light signatures imbue it with an aggressive personality, and the body lines convey both strength and poise. Kia retained its newfangled design language, but made it something that almost feels like a concept vehicle instead of a production vehicle. It doesn't merely look tough, it appears unstoppable. Step inside, and you're greeted with something that feels more like a luxury apartment on wheels than a camper van. Kia has created a balance between futuristic comfort and practical usability. Premium leather seating, sustainable recycled accents, and customizable ambient lighting make the interior feel warm and modern. The lounge-style seating can reconfigure for different needs while the rear transforms into a fully equipped living space. You get a compact kitchenette, modular sleeping arrangements, and clever hidden storage solutions. Whether you're traveling for a weekend or months on the road, the cabin feels like home, a premium home. Now, what's all this design worth if the machine can't perform? That's where Kia really surprised everyone. Under the hood, the 2026 EX6 camper van features a twin-turbo V6 hybrid, complemented by an electric drive system that propels the additional axle. The outcome? Enormous torque, great efficiency, and capability to tackle terrain where most RVs would never even step foot. Sand dunes, sloppy trails, snow-covered mountain passes. This camper devours them. It's not merely about arriving at your campsite. It's all about dominating the road to get there. Performance stats aren't officially out yet, but preliminary projections indicate robust towing capacity, faster than anticipated acceleration for its size, and unbeatable stability due to the six-wheel configuration. In short, this isn't Granny's motorhome. It's designed to perform like a true off-road vehicle. Technology also plays a huge part in this otherworldly camper. Right from the off, there's a sprawling digital cockpit that brings together driver data, navigation, and entertainment onto a single sweeping screen. An onboard AI companion can route plan, recommend off-the-beaten-path campsites, and track vehicle health in real time. At the back, living quarters are energized by smart home-style controls for lighting, temperature, and even appliances, all controlled through mobile app or voice interface. Add in 5G connectivity, and you're never cut off from the digital world, no matter how remote your adventure takes you. And then, safety. 6 wheels on the ground, and stability. But Kia justifies it further through more advanced driver assist systems. Adaptive cruise, terrain scanning radar, hill descent automation, and full 360-degree cameras for squeezing through tight situations. The reinforced frame provides reassurance, knowing this camper is not just about comfort, but also safety on unpredictable routes. Of course, there is a price for all this. As a premium adventure vehicle, the 2026 Kia EX6 camper van will not come inexpensively. Expect prices above standard RVs, but significantly more affordable than extreme luxury expedition vehicles from manufacturers like Mercedes or custom shops. It's obvious that Kia is targeting adventure seekers who want as much advanced technology as they do capability. The brand also offers customization options, from solar panels and expanded battery packs to roof-mounted observation decks and upgraded luxury interior trims. Whether you're a hardcore overlander, a digital nomad, or a family of weekend explorers, Kia is making sure this camper can be tailored to your lifestyle. Big picture-wise, what Kia has created here is something unusual, an authentic bridge between hardcore expedition vehicles and luxury motorhomes. It's futuristic, it's capable, and it's versatile. With this 6.6 camper van, Kia isn't merely crafting a van. They're making a statement that they're not merely an automobile company, but a lifestyle brand poised to bring freedom, technology, and adventure in one gobsmacking bundle. So then, the question remains, will the world adopt Kia's most ambitious experiment yet? Either way, one thing is certain. The 2026 Kia 6.6 camper van is already a game changer.